Future foldable smartphones from Samsung, such as the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6, would have more durable internal screens. The business might wish to use the term Iron Flex in its marketing to represent this. On January 3, Samsung submitted an application to the Korean Intellectual Property Rights Information Service to register the Iron Flex brand. The documentation details a foldable OLED display panel that can be used with foldable wearable video display monitors from Galaxy Club, foldable tablet PCs, and foldable smartphones. Samsung's foldable screens didn't exactly take off right away. When the first Galaxy Fold was released 5 years ago, many review units experienced folding display breaks, causing the phone to be briefly pushed back. Since then, Samsung has made every effort to enhance the public perception of this cutting-edge technology as well as the robustness of its foldable screens. Even if the most recent Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5 models are light years ahead of the originals, which were introduced almost 5 years ago, many potential customers still appear hesitant to enter the foldable phone market. It's unclear what Iron Flex actually signifies. However, many will probably identify the name with Samsung. Given the timing of this application, there's a good chance that Samsung's first smartphones to bear the Iron Flex designation will be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. The company wants to gain consumers' trust by proving that foldable Galaxy devices are more durable than before. It is anticipated that later this summer, the foldable phones will be officially announced. Fans can still purchase a few non-foldable Galaxy phones from Samsung till then. On January 17th, the Galaxy S24 series will be unveiled by the business at an Unpacked event in San Jose, California. Samsung also plans to release several Galaxy mid-range devices and a new rugged phone in the first half of 2024. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.